Hello dear friends, today we are going to study the topic of IP version 6 and IP version 6 header format. This is a part of your unit 4, right? Now we are going to start IP version 6. Okay, IP version 6 stands for Internet Protocol version 6. IP version 6 addresses are 128-bit in length. Addresses are assigned to individual interfaces or nodes, not to node themselves. Okay, a single interface a single interface may have multiple unique unicast addresses. The first field of any IP version 6 address is the variable length format prefixes, which verifies category of addresses. Okay. Then third point is notation, that is 16 bytes. A new notation has been devised for writing 16 byte addresses. They are written as 8 group of 4 hexadecimal digits with colon between the groups. Okay, there is an example 8000 colon 800000. This is a simple example of IP version 6. Okay, then next point is allow types. IP version 6 allows 3 types of addresses, that is unicast, anycast and multicast. Okay, so we have seen IP version 6. Now we are going to study IP version 6 header format. This is the payout format, that is a payload format. Okay, now the IP version 6 packet is composed of mandatory base header followed by the payload. The payload consists of two parts. First is optional and data. Now we are going to going through these points. First, versions. Now you can see the first block is version, that is 4 bits. Okay, this 4 bits fields defines the version number of the IP. The value is 6 for IP version 6. Second block is priority, that is traffic class. It should have 8 bits. The 4 bits priority field defines the priority of the packet with respect to traffic congestion. Okay, next is a flow label. That is having 20 bits. Flow label, it is 24-bit field that is designed to provide a special handling for a particular flow of data. This is used for handling particular flow of data. The next is payload length. It is having 16 bits payload length. The field defines the length of IP datagrams excluding the base header. Next is a next header. It is an 8-bit field. Define the header that follows the base header in the datagram. It is used for follow the base header in the datagram. And then the next is hope limit. This is 8-bit hope limit field, serves the same purpose at the time to leave field in IP version 4. The next is next shown in diagram, that is source address 128 bits. The source addresses field is 128 bits internet address that identifies the originals. Destination address, it is 128-bit internet address that actually identifies the final destination of the datagram. And next point is next header codes. Okay, that is next header code. You can see in the table, that is a code is given 0 2 6 17 30, 43 44 50 51 59 and 60. This is predefined code, and the meaning of that code as shown in table. That is 0 means hope by hope option. Second, ICMP. Third, TCP. 17 number UDP. 43 number source routing. 44 fragmentation. 50 encrypted security payload. 51 authentication. 59 null. This is no header. 60 destination option. Okay, and the next point is a priority. The priority field defines the priority of each packet with respect to other packets from the same source. IP version 6 divide traffic into two broad categories, that is congestion controlled and non-congestion controlled. Right? Table shows the priority 0 to 7. 0 is no specific traffic, 1 is background data, second is unattended data traffic, third is reserved, 4 is attended bulk data traffic, 5 reserved, 6 interactive traffic, 7 is controlled traffic. Okay students, this is IP version 4, this is IP version 6 and its header format. Okay, are you getting? Okay, thank you very much.